very busy day. We all was out shooting for the Red Bull event. We got some clips for that. You might have seen it in a previous vlog. And also my buddy Varun, it's his birthday today. Happy birthday, Varun. He's taking delivery of a very special car, so we're gonna head over. He's held his little birthday celebration at Sofitel and BKC, and he's gonna do his car reveal. So yeah, let's just say it's Italian and it's a drop top, so it's gonna be very special. I'm really happy for him. It was a long wait, and I'm so glad he got the car, the spec that he wanted, and it was worth the wait. Definitely 100%. So congratulations for that, and a happy birthday. So yeah, we're headed there. Roll's already there, the boys are there. I'm late, and I'm in the LX. Took the Evo out for a spin today. It's really hot outside, so I didn't really want to drive the Evo in this heat. But yeah, let's go. It's pulled up to Sofitel, and we got all the boys lined up. Well, besides him, but we got all the boys lined up. Unfortunately, I don't have my M3, and the Evo would be too hot to be parking here. I couldn't drive it. Doesn't have tint. But yeah, we're here. Gonna go meet the boys and then wait for the big reveal. I don't even think the car is here yet, but I think the reveal's inside somewhere over there. So let's go. There it is. You can see a little sneak peek of what's to come. Here now, as you can see from the key, you already know what this is. I probably already know what this is from the title as well. It's a F8 Spider, so dope. Got the cake, got the champagne, got the balloons, and obviously the car is covered in this satin car cover. Beautiful. And we're ready to go. So dope. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but that is the spec black. What do you call it, Avik? Spec black?
Which one?
That?
Yeah,
spec
grade.
Personalization specifications. Check it out. A lot of options. Rosso Mugello. So we're all just stopped to line up after a ceiling spin. We got Mikhail's M3 over here, coupe, so clean. And he just got the stage 2 burble tune too. So got this F8 over here, we got the Spider, the M boys. Just got done with the delivery and the little spin. That shot on the ceiling, man, was so sick. Probably one of the best shots I've personally ever seen of a convoy of cars on ceiling. You know, one of our other boys with the F8 pulled up. The whole weekend Torque crew was there. I wish I had my M3, but it was nice to sit at passenger of the F8, you know, enjoy that car. It's such a nice car, you know, like it's built so well. It sounds so good, even though it's twin turbo V8, not naturally aspirated. You hear that turbo sound. Yeah, man, congrats to Varun. Happy birthday to Varun. Happy birthday to Rushad as well. So yeah, man, epic turnout, epic drive, epic Sunday. Horsepower Cartel, man. We try to hit 100K this year, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go subscribe and like this video while you're at it. Hit me up if you need a detail, PPF, ceramic, paint correction, whatever you need for your car. Hit me up. LSD's in business right now. We're open. So yeah, like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys soon, and take care.